nice place near the woods, and they wish to settle down. Now there's a big bad wolf who lives in the pigs. He wanted to feast on our cute little pigs. The first pig made his house out of straw. The bad wolf came to his door and banged his claw. Little pig, let me come in. No, 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 I won't let you come in. Not by the hair on my chin, chin, chin. Huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in. Come on, little pigs, you gotta let me come in. The second little pig made his house out of sticks, but the big bad wolf was up to his tricks. Little pig, let me come in. No, 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 I won't let you come in. Not by the hair in my chinny chin chin. Huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in. Come on, little pigs, you gotta let me come in. Third little pig made his house out of bricks. He was gonna get them out of this fix. Little pig, let me come in. No, 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 I won't let you come in. Not by the hair on my chinny chin chin. The big bad wolf tried as much as he could. This house wouldn't budge, it was made really good. So children, now you know the value of hard work. Sometimes it may take longer, but it's all worth it in the end.